Hello everyone. Whenever you'll be eating a piece from the whole fruit or anything, you'll be wondering what are those remaining pieces? What will be happening of that? Will it be mine or will it be of someone else's? So that's a kind of how life plays with us. This is something that we need to make sure that we'll not think about that. We have to make sure that whatever we are eating, whatever the piece we have in our life, we'll be thinking about that, not about those things that are not part of it, or even that will be part of us. We have to make sure, think about it in future, not right now, because that is not the worry of present, right? That is the worry of future, and we are not aware if that will be the piece of our life or not. There will be chances where that piece can go in anyone's life, right? So we have to make sure that we are not thinking about those pieces which are not meant to be ours or which are not decided yet. And even though it's decided, we are not aware of it. I know educating ourselves is very important, but do we really need to think about future that much? If we have that one piece, we can enjoy that piece in our present, right? We don't have to think about those remaining pieces that are not yet decided where to go. Life is very unpredictable. We would be having a lot of good things but will not be able to think about it. And there will be a lot of things that will be in another's plate, that would be in another's life, but we'll be thinking about that. And that's something that we need to tackle on, because I don't think so that will be matter at very soon if we have that a single piece that is meant to be ours. But I don't think so that will be very nourishable for everyone, because if we have that one piece that we can enjoy and that are meant to be ours, and if you are not tackling about it, and if you are not pondering about that, even though we are not decided with those remaining pieces, and we are thinking about that will be ours or not, that will be more beneficial, that will be more fruitful and everything, even though we have those things and we are not thinking about that whatever we have in our hand, I don't think so that will be a good thing to live our life. And that's what I wanted to share in this video. If we have that whole piece, and if we are getting a piece out of it, we have to enjoy it, because that is our present that will be vanished soon, and will not be able to get that present again. But future will be coming. Why to worry about the future? If we'll start worrying about present, everything will be perfect. Not if not perfect, it will be easier for us, right? If we'll start worrying about present, the present will be in our hand, right? And what about future? Future will be coming, and the way we are tackling present, we'll be tackling that future as in terms of present whenever we'll be going at that stage, right? So start living with present that you have right now. Don't worry about future. I know this is a very simple thing that I'm telling right now here, but it ticked me, and I wanted to share it right now with you all. That's the reason I did it. So thank you so much. Have a good day and keep spreading love. We'll be meeting with you all soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Namaste.